Hello, this is a video on how to find tangents and normals at a point. Okay, this one we do normals, but I'll show you how we do a tangent to this curve as well. Okay, so when you're doing tangents and normals, you're going to need two things. The first thing is an equation that you're finding a tangent or a normal to, which here is y equals x squared. The second thing you need is an x value for the point that you're doing. Okay, and so here is our point, which has an x value of 2. Okay, like a lot of things, the first thing you do is find the derivative. Okay, so here we've got y equals x squared. Our derivative is therefore y dash for derivative equals 2x. And that just comes from timesing the coefficient, the number in front of the x squared, 1 in this case, by 2, okay? And then taking away 1 and just ending up with x to the power of 1, which we just write down as x, okay? So that was step 1, finding the derivative. Okay, step 2 is that we work out what the derivative, or y dash, is for an x value of 2. And that comes from our point having an x value of 2. Okay, so m, our gradient, equals 2 from the derivative times 2 from the point. Okay, I just replace the x value with the value of my point x, which is 2. So we have m equals 4. Okay, now at this point, we're trying to find the normal. Okay, the question is asking for the normal. And what that means is that if you've got your curve, the tangent is a blue line that just touches it at one point, and the normal is the green line, the line that's right angles to that tangent. Okay, so the blue is the tangent and the green is the normal. Okay, and we've got to find the normal. Now the rule is that the tangent gradient, or m value, and the normal value, gradient, or m value, will times together to equal -1. So we have to ask our question, what times 4 equals -1? And the answer to that is going to be m tangent, or m with the little 2 on it, is going to equal 1 over -4, because 4 times 1 over -4 equals 1. Okay, so now we've got this value, we've got our normal's gradient. We want to solve what the line equation is going to be at that point. Okay, so we want to find out what the numbers in the line equation are. And the equation of a line works like y equals mx plus b. Okay, now we know our m. That's the -1/4. Okay, so we can put that value in there. But what we don't know is our b. B is what we don't know. B's got to be a number in our line equation, and we don't know what that number is. Okay, but we do have a y and an x and an m, so we can use algebra to solve for that number. Okay, so we go in and we replace our 2 from the x value with the x, and we replace our 4, the y value, with the 4 for y down there. Okay, we get them from the point of 2, 4. Okay, so we just go 4 from the y value of the point equals -1/4 from the tangent that we found from the derivative times 2 our x value plus b, what we're trying to find out. Okay, and this is just algebra from here on out. Okay, so now we've got 4
you much better if I can get familiar with the way you talk.
Equals minus 2 over 4, top times top, okay, plus b. Okay, so now we know that 4 equals minus a half plus b. Add a half to both sides because 2 over 4 is a half, and we get 4.5 equals b. So now we've got all the sort of numbers we need for our equation, and our answer to what is the normal to the curve y equals x squared at the point is going to be y equals m, our minus a quarter, x plus 4.5. Okay, now what point does this cut the y-axis? Okay, to work out that, we sub for 0, and our y-intercept, okay, when x equals 0, so y equals minus a quarter of 0 plus 4.5 is going to be 4.5. Okay, so these are our two answers. Find the equation of the normal, that's this one, and the point where it crosses is y equals 4.5. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. Bye guys and girls.